second graders. It is Tuesday, May 19th, and you are going to be working on 3-digit numbers. First, you're going to complete workbook page 327 to 328, and I will quickly go over that here. So, 327, 1 and 2, you're going to add up the hundreds box, the 10 sticks and the ones, and put that number here. Then you are going to look at 164 and 120, and you're going to think, how many hundreds are there? Draw that many boxes. How many tens are there? Draw that many sticks. How many ones? Draw that many circles. Then 5 and 6, you're going to add up the boxes, the sticks, and the ones, and write your number on the line. Then number 7, you're going to use boxes, sticks, and ones to draw 382. Then when you are done with that, you are going to go to A11 for IXL. Make sure that you log in. It says which number comes before 31. So what comes before 31? 30. Which number comes just after 30? 31. Which number comes between 4 and 6? 5. Which number comes just after 87? 88. Okay, make sure you're reading. That's going to be the biggest thing, is that you're reading it correctly. Okay, then I want you to go ahead and complete an extra math. Once you have completed those 3 things, you will be done with math for today. Have a great day. Let me know if you have questions on your math.